Hi to all, welcome to my class number 4, integers for class 7. Today I am going to discuss multiplication of integers, multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. You know what is 3 into 2? Yes, it is equal to 6. You know multiplication is a repeated addition. That means 3 into 2 means you are adding 2 3 times, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2, then you are getting answer 6. Now let me multiply 3 into negative 2. 3 into negative 2 means negative 2 plus negative 2 plus negative 2, that is negative 2 3 times. With the help of number line we can add this. Let us add negative 2 3 times. This is one negative 2. Now add another negative 2, take 2 more division. Now this is second negative 2 and take one more. That is, this represents 3 into negative 2. Now 3 into negative 2 you are getting negative 6. That is 3 into negative 2 is equal to negative 6. Now what is 3 into negative 3? First we have to take negative 3 from 0. So this is one time. Now again 3 division, you will reach in negative 6. One more 3 division. This represents 3 into negative 3. The answer you are getting is negative 9. Now how can you do 2 into negative 5? First take 0 to negative 5 one time. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Again take 5 divisions. Then you will reach in negative 10. So 2 into negative 5 is equal to negative 10. Can you do some more questions yourself? Find 4 into negative 8, 8 into negative 2, 3 into negative 7, 10 into negative 1 using number line. Do yourself. Using number line, we found 3 into negative 2 is equal to negative 6, 3 into negative 3 is equal to negative 9, 2 into negative 5 is equal to negative 10. Now without using number line, can you find the product of two numbers? What will be 4 into negative 3? Here you see, you multiply 3 into negative 2, you are getting negative 6. What is 3 into 2? It is 6. Then negative, add negative sign. Here 3 into 3 is 9. Here 2 into 5 is 10. So just multiply the numbers, then put a negative sign, you will get the answer. So here you have to multiply 4 into 3, you will get 12 as answer. Now put a negative symbol. This is how you multiply a positive number and a negative number. You just multiply the number and put a negative sign. Now let us see how to multiply a negative integer to a positive integer. Here you have some questions. 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Now from 3 into 2, how do you get 2 into 2? That is, from 6, how do you get 4? It is 6 minus 2. How do you get this 2 then? It is 4 minus 2. Then what about this 0? it is 2 minus 2. Now you see here I multiplied with 3, here with 2, here with 1, here with 0. Next, let me multiply with negative 1. What is negative 1 into 2? Here you got the answer by subtracting 2 from the product, from the previous product. That is from here you got 4 from 6 minus 2. Here 2, 4 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2. If you are proceeding like this, next answer should be 0 minus 2. What is 0 minus 2? It is 0 plus negative 2 and the answer is negative 2. What will be negative 2 into 2 then? Negative 1 into 2 you got negative 2. So negative 2 into, to get negative 2 into, you subtract 2 from negative 2. That is negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 2 plus negative 2, that is negative 4. Now look at the above two products. Here negative 1 into 2 you are getting 2, negative 2 into again it is negative 4. That means a negative integer and a positive integer, when you multiply, the sign of the product also negative. Then what will be negative 5 into 4? You multiply 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Then put a negative sign. So the answer is negative 20. That is multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer, we multiply them as a whole numbers and put a minus sign before the product. That is, thus we get a negative integer. So we can summarize. For any two positive integers a and b, we can say a into negative b, that is a positive integer into a negative integer, is equal to negative a into b, that is a negative integer into positive integer, is equal to negative a into b. That is multiply the integers, multiply the numbers, then put a negative symbol before it. This is the way you have to multiply any integers, which is a positive and a negative. Can you do some multiplication? Find out 15 into negative 16. How will you do it? You multiply 15 and 16, then put a negative sign. Then you will get the answer. So find out 21 into 90, 32, negative 42 into 12, and negative 55 into 50. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.